Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to report inappropriate content or users on threads. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you come across something on threads that does not seem right, reporting it as quick as possible is the easy way to help keep the community safe. First, locate the post or profile you want to report. Tap on the three dots icon next to the post or on the user's profile. A menu will appear with a report option. Select that. After tapping report, you will be prompted to choose a reason for your report, such as spam, harassment, or other inappropriate behavior. Select the most relevant reason and add any additional details if necessary. Once you are done, submit your report. You can do the same for the thread profiles as well. Threads will review your submission and take the appropriate action if the content or user violates their guidelines. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.